So I will say, I definitely would say explore and experiment. But here's some things, quick things you can do. Go outside, especially if you can go outside without shoes on and like ground yourself and just like try to release stuff into the earth. That helps. Trees also work really well. By the way, especially if you have the gate 5 defined or the 15 defined or the gate 19 defined in your chart, and I know I'm spitting that out kind of fast, you will probably do really well to have a mammalian pet, cat or dog, because they will help you actually process energy. They can, if they hook into your aura, they can actually absorb some of that energy. Um, Water can actually help you with that. So, bath, shower, or if you're lucky enough to live by the ocean, go dip in the ocean. Also, sometimes it just takes time. Sometimes you have to just go to sleep, and just really like go take a nap, try to get away from other people's auras if you can. The other thing is, it does, you can do this. It takes time and practice, but you can train yourself. And sometimes it's just as simple as reminding yourself, be a screen, not a sponge. Be a screen, not a sponge. Let that energy, imagine that energy going through you and being like, oh, check it out. It's going through me. And don't hold on to it. So